what is the distance between the sun and the earth? And you know what is the diameter of the sun? Yes, the distance between the sun and the earth is this one. Can you read this number? And the diameter of the sun is okay. So can you read these numbers? Yes. So these numbers we can write between 1 and 10. 1 and 10. If you write the number between 1 and 10, that process is called scientific notation. Okay. So how we can write this number in the scientific notation? So you can see this type of numbers in your science book. So you have like 149.6 million kilometer. Understand? 149.6 million kilometer or 149.6 something. But the scientific notation means we can write here 1.496. See, student, point I am taking here. So if I take the point here, this point after we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I can write here into 10 to the power of 11 kilometer. Now what is the distance between the sun and the earth? That is 1.496 into 10 to the power of 11 kilometer. Understand? Now what is the diameter? What is the diameter of the sun? That is, so if I take this one like 1.4 into 10 to the power of, just you can check how many places are there after the point here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we write into 10 to the power of 9. So 1.4 into 10 to the power of 9 kilometers. What is this? What is 10? What is 9? What is the uses of this concept? So this concept completely belongs to exponents and powers. Exponent and powers. So I think you got now one clear-cut idea what is the uses of this chapter. When we have a large number to write, to read, it is very easily. We can convert like with our comfort. So that is called a scientific notation. So scientific notation we can write between 1 and 10. 1 and 10 only. Okay. Now what is this 10 and what is this power 9? So we can discuss. 10 means, for suppose if we have 10 into 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 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and one more I am taking into 10. Okay. So if you multiply these all numbers, so then what you get? 9 zeros, because we have 9 tens, so 9 zeros are there here. So then we can get this number. Got it? Check. This one. So instead of writing this number, so what we can write instead of this one, that is 10 to the power of 9, because we have the 10 here 9 times. 10 we have a 9 times, then we can write 10 to the power of 9. This 9 is called exponent. Exponent. And this 10 is called base. This 10 is called base, and this is called exponent. How the number we can write, we can read here 10 to the power of 9 or 10 raised to the power of 9. So simply we can read here 10 to the power of 9. Understood, children? So 10 to the power of 9 means 10 9 times. And 2 to the power of 5 means 2 5 times. 2 we should write 5 times. Got it? Then what is the answer for this? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. 32. It's a very common mistake when I ask the student here, what the students can say, but 2 power 5 means 2 into 5 is equal to 10. No, that is wrong. 2 into 5 is equal to 10 is the wrong. 2 power 5 means you have to write 2 5 times like this. Then 2 into 2 into 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32 is the value, children. Okay, so this is what we are going to learn in this chapter. But here we have some laws of exponents. Laws of exponents means some formulas are there. How we can get the formulas, okay? How we can apply the formulas. So everything we will discuss in this video, okay? So in this video we are going to discuss only introduction part. The first laws of exponent is, for example, we are taking 3 to the power of 5 into 3 to the power of 4 3 to the power of 5 into 3 to the power of 4. Then what is this answer here? 3 to the power of 5 means what we write? 3 5 times we should write. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 5 times we have written. Okay. 3 to the power of 4 means 3 we write 4 times. Then how many 3's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 to the power of 9. Got it? So, what do you observe here? When you have the same bases, these 3 are called base, these 5 and 4 are called powers. Okay, are exponents. Okay, this is the base and this is the exponents. When the bases are equal, then exponents here in the product, when you are multiplying both, then the exponent you can add 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 directly. Got it? So the first formula here, first loss of exponent you find out, that is a to the power of n into a to the power of n equal a to the power of m plus n. That means from this directly we can write the answer 3 to the power of 5 plus 4 equal to 3 to the power of 9. Got it, children? So here a common mistake is when the students are multiplying this one 3 power 5 into 3 power 4 mean what the students can write here 3 to the power of 5 into 4 is equal to 20. This is wrong. Power should not multiply here, children. Powers we have to add. Why? This is the logic here. 3 power 5 means 5 times we have written. 3 power 4 means 4 times we have written. Total how many 3's are there? 3 to the power of 9. 9 3's are there. 3 to the power of 9. This is the formula. Come on. Tell me what is the formula then. Just you can read along with me only. So 3 to the power of m into 3 to the power of n. That means a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Following? Next step. For suppose I am going to take like this 3 power 5 into 3 power 3 I am getting 3 power 5 by 3 power 3. Then what I will get 3 power 5 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 1 2 3 4 5 5 times. 3 power 3 means 3 into 3 into 3 3 times because power 3 is there. Okay, now these 2 3's are cancelled, these 2 3's are cancelled, these 2 3's are cancelled. Finally, what I have 3 into 3, that means 3 square. 2 times are there 3 square. Square. 3 times are there. You are writing like this. This is 3 square. This is 3 cube. 3 square. 3 cube. Cube. C-U-B. Okay. Square. This is square. Okay. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Cube. And this is 3 to the power of 4. Mean 3 raised to the power of 4. So simply we can read 3 to the power of 4. Okay. So we have the 3 2 times, that is 3 square. 3 square. Okay, children. So this is, and can you guess what is the formula here? Bases are equal, powers are the different. We have divided here. Quotient rule it is. This is called product rule. Product rule means a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Quotient rule this one. So for a power m by a power n, what you will get? See, just you can think from this. How we got this one? 3 power 5 by 3 power 3 means 3 power 5 minus 3. We have subtracted to get 2 here, right? See, 3 power 5, 5 times we have written. 3 power 3, 3 times we have written. We cancelled, we got 2 3's, that is 3 square. That means when you subtracted from 5 is 3, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, that is 3 square. That means that is second formula what we found here. A power m divided by a power n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. M minus n we have to subtract here, children. So why I left the place here? There is a 2 condition again in this formula. What is the first condition? When in the numerator the power is more than the denominator. In the numerator, what is the numerator here? 3 to the power of 5. What is the denominator? 3 to the power of 3. In the numerator, that m value is more than that n value, right? That means the power is 5 and the denominator power is 3. This 5 is more than the 3. So, this is the formula, is correct. That means the condition here, m greater than n. M greater than n. For suppose, if I take reverse, then 3 power 3 is in numerator, 3 power 5 in the denominator. Then what you can observe? 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 5 times here, 3 times are here, As usual, we can cancel 3, 3 cancel, 3, 3 cancel, 3, 3 cancel. Then what you find out here? What did you find out? 1 divided by 3 into 3 means 3 power 2. 1 divided by 3 square. That means, can you tell me one more formula from this? The condition is the same. Same condition. A to the power of m by a to the power of n, but m less than n. Because m means in the numerator. Numerator 3, denominator is 5, 3 is the less than 5. So that means m is less than n. Then the formula you have 1 divided by a power m minus n. 1 divided by a power m minus n. Yes, if you see 1 divided by a power, what is m here? 3 minus, sorry, 1 divided by a power n minus m. What is n? N is, this is m and this is n. N is 5 and m is here 3. So 1 by a to the power of n minus m children. Got it? So very important formulas this are. And so next formula is that we will discuss. So another concept here children, for example, you have 3 to the power of 5 whole to the power of 2. That means power 2 means we should write 2 times, right? That means 3 power 5 into 3 power 5 we write. That means 3 power 5 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. How many times we are writing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again this 3 power 5 we should write 5 times. Got it? Total how many 3's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means what is this? 3 to the power of 10. 3 to the power of 10. Come on, tell me children, from this one to I got it this one. 5 power, 3 power 5, whole power 2. Understand? Or 3 power 5, whole square. I got the answer 3 power 10. How I got without, come on tell me, without this process, how we can get it? Exactly, we should multiply this 2. 3 power 5 into 2, 10. That means the formula here, a power m whole to the power of m equal a to the power of m into n. When you have this model, a power m whole to the power of n, then you can multiply, you can take a to the power of m into n. Okay, this is one of the formula children. So this is the formula number 1, this is 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and the next problem we can take. Next formula is, for suppose, take like 4 by 5 whole power 6. 4 by 5 whole power 6. How we can write this one? 4 by 5 into 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 4 by 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Power 6, 6 times I have taken. Okay? Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 power 6. Because I have 4, 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 to the power of 6. Got it? So what can you write from this now? A by B, because both are different. 1 is 4, 1 is 5. So A by B whole power m equal A power m by B power n. Come on, repeat once. How we take it? A by B whole to the power of m equal A to the power of m by B to the power of m. This is one of the important concepts, children. And the next one I am going to take into 4 power 2. This one I have to calculate. Okay. So how can I calculate this 3 into 4 whole power 2? Of course, generally 3 4s are 12, 12 power 2 we can write. And one more way here, this means 3 into 4, again 3 into 4. Power 2 is there, so 2 times I have it. 3 power 4 into 3 power, 3 into 4 into 3 into 4. Tell me how many 3's are there? There are 2 3's. 3 square. How many 4's are there? There are 2 4's. So 4 square we can write. Got it? So that means A into B whole power m. This formula is A into B. That means AB whole to the power of m equal A to the power of m into B to the power of m. A to the power of m into B to the power of m. Then one more formula here, that is negative power formula. For example, we have 2 to the power of minus 2. 2 to the power of minus 2 or 2 to the power of minus 3 we can take. Then how we write it? 1 divided by, just mind it is 1 divided by, when we have a power negative, then you can take 1 divided by 2 to the power of 3. 1 divided by 2 power minus 3 means we can write 1 divided by 2 to the power of 3. So very important condition. When you can see like this power, you can convert immediately like this. Why? Here is another formula for that. That is a to the power of minus n equal to 1 by a power n, or a power 1 by a power minus n equal to a to the power of n. Okay. These two are the same almost. But a power minus n means you can write 1 divided by a to the power of n. That means this minus we are converting into a positive number, plus number. When you have in the denominator like this, a to the power of 1 by a to the power of minus n, in the denominator negative power is there, you can convert this into positive power by taking in the numerator. So a power minus n is 1 by a power n, or 1 by a power minus n equal to a to the power of n. And from this we can find out the another formula, that is a by b whole power minus n. If you see like this form, a by b whole power minus n, then you can write b by a. Just to change this one, numerator and the denominator both, and you can write the power n. This is another condition here. Very important formulas these are. Why sir? Why should we write like this? Because of this concept. This concept. For example, I will take 2 by 3 whole power minus 1 I have taken. According to this formula, 2 by 3 whole power minus 1 means I can write 1 divided by 2 by 3. Now in the next step, we can get it reciprocal, means 3 by 2. So 1 into 3 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 2. See, I have taken a by the whole power minus n, then finally I got the b by a whole power 1. Okay, so a by the whole power minus m, then we write b by a whole to the power of plus m. And very important concept, that is for example, 4 power 5, 4 power 5, how we can write this? 4 power 5 by 4 power 5, how we can write this using this formula? Come and tell me. Yes, a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Then I can write the 4 power 5 minus 5. That means 4 to the power of 0. Correct? According to this formula, a power m by a power n, because I have the same basis both, then I can use that formula a power m by a power n. Then I will get a power m minus n. That means 5 minus 5. So 4 power 0. But what is the answer for 4 power 5 by 4 power 5? Let's see. 4 power 5 in 4, you write the 5 times here. This one also you can write 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, cancel. All are cancelled. That means the answer is not a 0, 1. Because 4 ones, 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 4 ones mean 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, finally 1. The same way in the denominator also 1 divided by 1, answer is 1, but not a 0 here when we cancel. Okay, then what you understood about this? 4 to the power of 0, you got it 1. 4 to the power of 0, you got it 1. For suppose I have taken there 6 power 3 by 6 power 3. In the same way, I will get answer again 1. Because from this I will get by subtracting 6 power 3 minus 3. Using the same formula, this formula 6 power 3 minus 3 means 6 power 0. But by cancelling this one I will get 1. So 4 power 0 is 1, 6 power 0 is 1, 7 power 0 is 1. Finally, 8 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. This is a formula I have to write. The ninth one is 8 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so these are the most important formulas. And I have taken the more time to explain the introduction part. So I hope you understood the concept. What is the uses of this chapter? What are the laws of exponents we have? So total formula is this one. Learn now itself. These all the formulas. In the next video, we will discuss how to use these formulas. Okay. So I hope you understood this concept. So take care. Bye and Jai Hind.